Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, we are going to fix one of the most frustrating problems people face while installing Windows 11, the dreaded unsupported PC error. Don't worry, I'll show you exactly how to get past it and complete your installation without any hassle. Trust me, if you watch till the end, this issue won't bother you again. So let's not waste any time and dive right in. Alright, let's get started. For this process, we'll need two things, Rufus and the latest Windows 11 ISO file. First, head over to the official Rufus website and download the tool. Next, download the Windows 11 ISO in your preferred language. I already have both files ready, so let's jump straight into the steps. Start by running Rufus, then plug in the USB drive that you want to make bootable. After that, select the Windows 11 ISO file. Leave all the other settings as they are, no need to change anything. Now, simply click on Start. You'll see some options with checkboxes. If any of them are unchecked on your screen, make sure to check them. Under the Create Local Account option, type in your desired username, hit OK, and you're good to go. In most cases, this method successfully bypasses the unsupported PC error. And if this method doesn't work for you, don't worry, we'll be trying another method as well. So make sure to watch this video till the very end. Once the process is finished, simply close Rufus, restart your computer, and make sure your Windows 11 bootable USB is still plugged in. When your system restarts, press any key to boot from the USB. Windows 11 setup will begin loading files. After that, select your language, tick the checkbox and click Next. You can safely skip the product key step and then choose the version of Windows you want to install. As you can see, here the dreaded unsupported PC error has appeared. But don't worry, we're going to fix it. All you need to do is restart your PC and repeat the installation steps once again. Now, before moving forward with the installation, here comes the real trick. Press Shift plus F10 together, and this will open up the command prompt window. Inside, type regedit and hit enter. This will launch the Windows registry editor. Here's where we do our little magic. In the registry editor, create a new key named labconfig under the location you see on the screen. Inside this key, you'll need to create 4 new dword values. These values will disable the checks for TPM 2.0, CPU, RAM, and secure boot. Once the dwords are created, set the value for each one to 1. That's it. Our job here is done. Now, simply close the registry editor and then close the command prompt as well. Alright, now go ahead and select your Windows version and click Next. After a short loading time, you'll see the license agreement or policy page. Just click next to continue. And that's it. You've successfully skipped all those annoying checks. After another quick loading screen, you'll arrive at the drive selection window. Choose the partition where you want to install Windows, click next, and as you can see, the installation has already begun. And with that, we've reached the end of this tutorial. If you found this video helpful, make sure to drop a comment and let me know how it worked out for you. Don't forget to subscribe for more Windows tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and goodbye.